Hey everybody, I am back to trade out from Candid Co tray number 8 to tray number 9. It doesn't really seem like it's been 9 trays worth, but it is. It's really kind of flying by. And please excuse the squeaky toy the dog is playing with. I had on my eye tooth a little bit of a gap. It was a little bit between the bottom of the actual aligner. Hold on a second, I have to get rid of the squeaky toy. So, squeaky toy is gone. I had a bit of a gap in between my bottom tooth and the actual aligner. And I was just using Chewies religiously ever since I put in this last set of trays, and the gap has significantly closed. One issue that I am having with trying to determine if the gap in the tray and my tooth is closing has been that the top tray is so loose that if anytime that it's just sitting by itself, it's not latching on really tightly into the top of my mouth or my upper teeth. So if I press it in or if I use a Chewy, there is actually no gap once I'm pressing down. But if I press down on this side, then there's a gap on this side. So anyway, I'm looking forward to moving from tray 8 to tray 9 because I think that that will probably go away. The other thing that I've noticed that's really kind of strange, not strange, but different, is that the gaps in between my individual teeth are changing. So before, if I were to floss, I would have, there'd be a little bit easier time getting the floss in between a certain set of teeth. What I'm noticing is that almost every 2 to 3 weeks, I'm noticing that a different pair of teeth is either looser or tighter depending upon what they were before. It's really fascinating and it's kind of fun, but I am noticing that I'm getting food stuck in teeth that I've never had food stuck in between teeth before. And oddly, it may be, a pair of teeth and I get some chicken or something caught up in there. And then 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, it's significantly tightened. So it's really, really kind of a fun thing to I haven't tracking it or anything like that, but one thing that I do use is plackers. I highly recommend these. They are really super portable. I'm sure terrible for the environment, but super handy. They come like this. They've got a little string at the top. What's super cool is that if you've got a tough space in between your teeth, what you can do is you can put the string in between your teeth and then put your tooth here and bite down slowly, and then you will get the actual floss in between the teeth. The other cool thing is that they have a little interdental toothpick there, so if you've got something funky going on, maybe at the back of your teeth, you can't get something out with the floss or just trying to flick it out with your tongue, then this really cool little toothpick really helps. So that's helped me get a lot of crap out of my teeth. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get tray number 9 out and get tray 8 out. All right, so I have my Chewies, I have tray number 9. I'll go ahead and start with the bottoms first. As you can see, this is actually pretty cool. My teeth are just getting so much straighter at the bottom. Not too bad. And this is so cool. Check these out. These are like almost totally straight at the top. I went out to dinner last Thursday, and a friend of mine, and I actually see her fairly often, every couple of weeks for dinners and family stuff. And she goes, "Oh my gosh, Laura, I can't believe how like straight your teeth are looking. It's incredible." And it's only been 3 months. It's coming up on 4 months now. And I mean, I'm not saying I could stop treatment now and it would be that I would be happy because, I mean, obviously my bottoms have a little bit more work to go, but if I had to stop treatment now, you know, for some medical reason, or I don't know, they came and repoed my aligners because my payment stopped working or something, I don't know, I would be really happy just after 3.5 months. So, all right, top. Okay, chewy. Okay. So, my top ones are super loose. Okay, I don't know. They're really, really loose. They're like not even tight on the backs. I don't know. I can flick them out. So, all right, we'll see. I may need to make a call to Candid Co and find out if there's something that I'm not doing right. I have a little pressure right at the top inside, right where my molars are. So I'm not sure why they are that loose, but I'll obviously give it, you know, a few days, week, and if they're absolutely falling out of my mouth, then I will need to obviously contact Candid Co, but that's really crazy. They've always been so tight popping in. So I don't know what's going on, but hey, if it's forward progress, it is good enough for me. All right, so I'm actually gonna go take a couple of pictures now and of the tops and the bottoms, and I'm going to put those up. So have a great couple of weeks, and I will see you back in 2 weeks to go to tray number 10 out of 15. Wow. See you guys in a couple weeks. Bye.